This is a 2016 GMC Acadia. You can see it's got the third row seating as well as the back seats. Take a look today at quickly how to fold both sets of seats down. Start over here on the driver's side. You'll see there's a little pole here, little fabric pole about midway on the seat back. Pull that. It's actually just going to fold everything forward pretty quickly. And if I go around back here to third row seating, you can see there's a little pull, a lever. Pull on that. Able to fold 2/3 of the rear seat down. Fold the other third there. Got to press it down a little bit to get it to go. And if I go around here to the passenger side, you can see I'm able to just, there's actually the other fabric pull here. Pull that. Now I've got the middle seats folded down and the third row seats folded down. I'm gonna go back around here one more time. You can see we could fit a pretty decent sized piece of cargo, furniture, appliance, etc. in the back. Alright, thanks a lot for watching.